I'm on the social studies academic team, but I'm also on the interdisciplinary team. The social studies team competes. We have to learn about different historical things. This year the topic's Rome, so we have to study the history of Rome. We have to study the different periods and memorize as much information as possible, and sometimes study maps, and then we answer questions about the information that we've learned. I chose history team because I'm good at history and I've always enjoyed history, and Mr. A.D. recruited me to be on it, and then I went to the call-out meeting and I did well, so I ended up being on the team, and I've stuck with it because I felt like a part of the team. If you get distracted, it's easy to mess up, or if you miss a question, it's very easy to be thinking about that one, and it's hard to focus, okay, well I missed that one, but we have to move on and go to the next problem. I would say that one of the bigger aspects that helps a lot is collaboration, teamwork, learning how to come to the best solution using context clues and what you know, and that definitely helps with classes if you're ever taking a test or working on a homework assignment that you don't really understand. Just understanding, maybe you don't know the right answer, but you can use parts of the question to at least make a good guess at what it is. I would say that it's not necessarily a fair description because most people on academic teams are involved in a lot of other stuff, and it's not the main priority of their life necessarily. They just happen to be good at a certain school subject, and so they compete to do that because it's interesting to them, but that's not necessarily the only aspect of their life that they're focused on. I'd like for them to know how much effort goes into learning all that information, that it's not just you go and compete, there's a lot of background research and stuff that you have to do, and then it does take a lot of hard work actually.